I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a blush pink pantry door makeover. I hope you enjoy. So guys, here is my barn door pantry door that you've seen me make over many times. Recently I added this beautiful French blue wallpaper. It is so beautiful guys, and it is from Amazon. But unfortunately, from a distance it looked amazing. But up close, because it wasn't on a smooth surface, it showed a lot of bubbles. So today I've decided to have the pantry door of my dreams and paint it blush pink.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold.
So guys, I actually lost the footage of me painting the door, but I just wanted to show you here. This beautiful blush pink tray is from Provincial Home Living, and I used that to colour match my door. So basically I just took this in and they colour matched it for me, and I just think it is a stunning blush pink. I also off camera spray painted the hardware gold. Now, I had this little barn light. It's actually a solar light, guys, but I just wanted to give the illusion that there was a light over my pantry door. So, first of all, I took this outside and I spray painted it white and gold.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take
So that little barn light, guys, actually got me in the mood for another DIY. Now, I had a little bit of space above my pantry door, and I love making decorative trim around the pantry door. So we took a little trip to Bunnings and we got some pine and some skirting for the top, and my hubby was on board and he cut them to size for me, and then we glued them above the door.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
So once they were glued to the top, we then went round with some filler to fill in the holes. I then went off camera, guys, with 2 coats of Dulux Vivid White.
It's all for you.
So what my hubby's doing here is just filling in the gaps with the gap filler, and off camera we used just a wet rag and we just wiped that clean before I started painting. here I've taped everything up before painting, and I also have this beautiful wreath, guys, that I want to go on the front of the door, and I decided to spray paint this beautiful stone colour.
It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all.
And guys, here is my beautiful blush pink pantry door. I'm so happy with how it came.
It's all for you.
Just by adding a few simple ideas. I love how we've added the trim to the top of the pantry door. I love how it gives the illusion that I actually have taller doors in my room. Our house is 8-foot ceilings, and I love that it gives that long illusion to the door. I also love the pretty wreath. I love the neutral tones along with the pink background, and I added this really pretty white bow to the bottom.
Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling.
I really love, guys, how this was a really simple and inexpensive project. I love how paint can transform a room, and adding additional touches like the trim really gave it a high-end look.
Sometimes I can't breathe.
I also really love the touches of gold. I think blush pink and gold touches go so beautifully together.
Try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Leave me a comment down below, guys, if you would love a blush pink pantry door. Now, I love pink doors, guys, and I've tried to convince hubby right throughout my home, please let me do a pink door, and he finally agreed on our pantry door, and I'm so happy with how it came.
There was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
Also, if you could leave me a comment down below, I am preparing for the Easter season and preparing my videos in advance. So if there is a DIY project you would love to see me do for Easter, I would love your feedback. So just leave me a comment down below and I definitely read them.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. A big shout out once again to my amazing hubby who got covered in dust, as you've seen, to do this project for me. I really couldn't do these projects without him, guys, and I really appreciate him so much. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back next week with another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.